So for a type of cat, the following is true. The odds that they will not have blue eyes or spots is 3 to 1. The probability that they will have either one of these traits is equal, and the probability that they have both of these traits is 10%. So what are the odds that they will have blue eyes? Now, easiest way to solve this is with a table. So we consider blue eyes and not blue eyes. We consider spots and not spots. And we look at all of the possibilities. And we know that the total has to be 100. Right? So there's a 100% chance that some of these conditions will be the case, right? That they will have either blue or not blue eyes, or spots or no spots. So we're going to have 100 here, right? 100% chance that they're going to have some state of blue eyes or not, and some state of spots or not. Okay, and what information are we given? So the odds that they will not have blue eyes or spots is 3 to 1, right? So 3 out of 4 times they're not going to have either, and 1 time they're going to have, not neither, right? But 3 out of 4 times the odds they will not have blue eyes or spots is 3 to 1, right? So 3 out of 4 times, or 75%, they are not going to have either one. Okay, then we're told that the probability that they will have either one of these traits is equal. Okay, that's these two situations here, spots but not blue eyes, or blue eyes but not spots. We don't know what that probability is, but the probability that they have both of these traits is 10%. Okay, so we know that this is 10%, and we know the other two cases are equal. Well, the total has to add up to 100, right? So 75 plus 10 is 85. What's left? What's left is 15, right? 100 minus 10 minus 75 is 15. And 15 over 2 is 7.5. So both of these have to be 7.5%. Okay. So then what are the odds that they have blue eyes? Well, that's the total right here. Okay. So 10% chance they have blue with spots, 7.5% chance that they have blue without spots. So that is going to be 17.5% chance that they have blue eyes. Okay, so what are the chances that they don't have blue eyes? Well, that's going to be 100 minus 17.5, which is going to be 82.5, right? So the odds of them having blue eyes is 17.5 to 82.5. Now, typically when you're presenting odds, you do it with whole numbers. So it's going to be 35 to 165. Now, we could reduce this. And again, typically when presenting odds, you do reduce things, right? So we can divide both of these by 5. And what we get is 33 on one side, and 35 divided by 5 is 7.